In a small town, people whispered about the Hiccup spirit. Legend said it visited those who held secrets. One night, a young girl named Lily began to hiccup uncontrollably. Her friends laughed, but Lily felt a chill. She remembered the legend and confessed a hidden truth to her best friend. Instantly, the hiccups stopped. The town buzzed with the story, and soon everyone was sharing secrets to rid themselves of the mysterious hiccups. But one day, a stranger arrived, hiccuping endlessly, and no secret could stop it. The town realized the spirit had a new purpose.